So now we're going to talk a little bit about the first mission. And so there's two places we want to look at. First is here on the missions page. This is on page 7 when we talk about the innovation project model. So this is the first mission. And the innovation project model is something that you're going to build at home and bring with you to the competition. You use the pieces in bag 14 to build this. And the only requirement for your innovation project model, the requirements are listed down here. So let's highlight those. You bring your own. It must be made of at least 2 white Lego pieces. So if this were my innovation project model, it would not be allowed because there's only one piece here. And it must measure at least as long as 4 Lego studs in some direction. So this piece does have 4 Lego studs in one direction. It does measure that length, but again, it's only one piece. So here is an innovation project model that I made. It's got 3 of these flat pieces, the pole, 1 block piece up here, and a cloud. It represents my imaginary innovation project, just like yours should represent your innovation project. So you have to build this at home. It does count as equipment and bring it to the competition. So those are the rules for it, but where do we put it? Where do we start it? So as we read through the mission model setup, this is on page 26, it says in either area, so in home, in either area, place your innovation project model if you brought one. So I've got mine, so that means I can put it in either the left home area or in the right home area. And then once I've done that, to score it, so I can score with this piece, it says all I have to do is if your innovation project model is at least partly in the hydrogen plant area. And so they've noted that for you here on this mat. It shows you here and here as well. And again, the key word here is at least partly. So we're going to switch over to the camera view and get a look at what that's going to look like. So we're going to turn on the camera. We're going to turn off the iPad. So here I'm in this home area. I'll set the truck off to the side. So here is my innovation project model. It's off to the side. It's in home. It's in the launch area. It's all home. It doesn't matter. So my robot can take it and push it out on the field, and it can go anywhere I want it to. But in order to earn any points, we have to get it into this space right here. So that's our hydrogen plant. And so I've got my model. I can push it along. And as soon as it is just barely over that line, and we're going to move the camera a little bit closer so we get a better look at that over all my wires. There we go, right there on the ring. Even if I'm on the line, right, I'm not past the line, but I'm on the line, that counts. So that's partly in or all the way in. And that is worth the full 10 points. But again, it must be there at the end of the match to actually earn the points. But that is how you score the innovation project model mission 01.